Greetings, it is I, Susie Q. I'm just here in sunny Scottsdale. I'm looking at some of my material that I've done for a long time. So we're going to get started right now. From a great distance, she saw enormity in the sky. Winged one, reptilian by nature. Flight in slow motion. Veiled in scales, a horrific sight. She watched him draw closer, between the mountain and the distance, and she at the foothills. The winged one flew directly to her. Eye to eye, she and the beast. Time stood still. For a split second, eon or three. Quick as this occurred, winged one's eyes locked to hers. Softened gaze as the winged one's tail led to the horrific beast back to the heart of the mountain. Not a blink of the eye or a moment of fear or a wondering of why the dragon disappeared. The dragon's gigantic form became one with the mountain. Not a sign or indication of what had just occurred. She at the foothills never dropped her gaze. Now looking only to the mountain in the distance, she knew his fate and remembered him still. A time and a day passed into a new place. Party and laughter, food and wine, guests in their home. She goes to her bedroom, to empty drawers on the floor. She goes to another room, 2 more emptied drawers. She just saw him, and he looked so happy. He said he was leaving and making plans for the 2 of them. He looked thinner than before. He was at the foothills of the triangular depictions in the heat of the day. Egypt it was, and was it just a dream? Days turned to years, turned to eons or 3. She received transmissions of some discernible symbols and numbers that flashed at a breakneck speed. How would she remember this flash of future coordinates? For he or she and the dragon makes 3. All right, so that was one of my really kind of sweet, I don't know, Akashic records or automatic writing. It was just really a beautiful taking a look at some of the mountains and looking at the dragons and all of that. It's been really extraordinary, and I've been really appreciative of everybody who has been listening to some of my videos or my automatic writing, or, you know, I've got a bunch of videos on X and on LinkedIn. All my material is out there, right? So I think that's it for now. I just wanted to pop in and get a little bit of one of the Akashic records. So we'll see you soon. And namaste.